Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Infiniti QX60. First, for your safety, please make sure your vehicle is completely stopped before you begin. Next, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth feature, ensuring it is discoverable. Your Infiniti's system is quite versatile, capable of remembering up to 5 or 6 different compatible devices, making it convenient for multiple users. Now, let's get your phone paired. On your Infiniti's central display, locate and press the Settings button. From there, touch Bluetooth, then connect Device and select Add New. Your vehicle will then generate a unique 4-digit PIN. Confirm that this PIN matches the one shown on your phone screen, and then accept the pairing request on your device to complete the connection. Once paired, you can enjoy hands-free communication and audio. To manage calls, simply press the phone button located on your steering wheel. You can easily access your phone book contacts, review call history, or even dial numbers using convenient voice commands. For your favorite music or podcasts, press the Media or Disc Auxiliary button on your dashboard to switch to Bluetooth audio streaming and enjoy your tunes. Experiencing a hiccup? Don't worry, here are some quick troubleshooting tips. If your Bluetooth isn't connecting, first try restarting your mobile phone and then the Infiniti's infotainment system. If that doesn't work, delete the device from both your phone's Bluetooth settings and the car's system, then repeat the pairing process. Also, remember that a critically low phone battery can sometimes interfere with a stable Bluetooth connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.